Fast money. No excuses. This is Fast Money Marion. It's 4 p.m. and your bank account doesn't look how you want it to look. You got time, but not much money. And right now, you need cash today. Most people think making money takes time. Weeks, months, even years. But that's not always true. Because there are people right now getting paid the same day. Not lucky people, not special people, just people who move fast. So, if you want money today, here are 3 ways to get paid before the day ends. The first way is simple. Sell a service. Right now, you don't need a website. You don't need experience.
Hello. How are you?
You just need
Hi
to solve
there.
a problem.
Great, thanks. I brought you some cookies. Oh, that's so thoughtful.
Enjoy them.
Yard cleanup, haircuts, car washing, anything simple that people already need.
Hey,
Walk up
great
and
to
say,
see you. Are you free
"Hey,
for dinner Friday?
I'm doing quick
Hi,
jobs.
Friday
in the area
sounds
today.
perfect.
Want
I'm
a
in.
quote?"
Excellent. How about 7 at the Italian place?
Love that spot. See you there.
Great, it's a plan.
That's it. No long pitch. No overthinking. Just offer value. Finish the job and get paid the
Thank
same
you.
day.
Have a great day.
You too.
People don't pay for ideas.
Whew.
They pay for results.
All done. That was a tough one, but it feels good.
Second way, sell something digital, fast. You're not building a business. You're solving a problem and getting paid for today. Find a
Figures show
local
a 15%
business.
drop.
Call
We
them.
need to adjust.
Ask one
I
question.
see. What do you suggest?
Cut the marketing budget and shift to product.
Understood. I'll review and call back. Yes, the projections are finalized.
Do you
We're
get
ahead of schedule.
customers from your website?
The team aligned. I'll send the details over shortly. Rest assured, everything is under control.
If they don't, you found the gap. Now, build a quick preview. Simple, clean, fast. Send it to them. Let curiosity do the work. If they like it, you close. Charge $300 to $500 and get paid.
Our strategy is delivering results. This growth opens new
You're not
opportunities.
selling a website. You're selling more
The
customers.
future is ours to shape.
Third way, flip something. Find something cheap, something undervalued.
Hey, you must be the buyer.
Yes, that's me. You have the item?
Right here. That'll be 40.
Buy it fast.
Perfect. Here's the cash.
Great, thanks. Have a good one.
First, wipe down the cleaning item to remove any dust. Next, inspect it to confirm its condition. Now, take clear photos from multiple angles.
Clean it.
Finally, create a
Take
detailed
better
listing.
pictures.
You're ready to sell.
Relist it.
Here's your charger.
Sell it the
It's
same
brand new.
day for more.
Great, thanks. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
I will. Have a good one.
You didn't create anything. You just moved faster than everyone else. All 3 methods have one thing in common. They require action. No waiting, no excuses, just movement. Call
Hello?
10
Alex,
businesses.
it's urgent. Pick up.
Knock on 5 doors.
Open
List
up. It's
3
me. Help me now.
items.
Base spot. Wait.
Call me back immediately.
Sending the details now. Hurry.
Don't aim for perfect. Aim for paid. Three ways. Same day. No excuses. If you want more ways to get paid fast, subscribe. This is Fast Money Marion.